How to cure eczema. Hi, it's Clinton from ClintonConley.com. I experienced debilitating eczema for years, and just like you, I've tried all the recommended lotions and steroid creams on the market, but none of them ever improved my eczema. They all made it worse. The following information will go into how to cure eczema. Number 1, clean the blood. Eczema, just like all other skin disorders, are blood disorders. This means that if you suffer from any skin condition, including eczema, then you have toxic, dirty blood that needs cleaning. The condition of the blood reflects in the skin. Heal your eczema by removing the toxins from the blood. One way you can accomplish this is by consuming blood-cleansing herbs like burdock root, dandelion root, yellow dock root, and red clover tops, just to name a few. Buy them online in capsules and consume 9 to 12 capsules of the combination of herbs I mentioned every 2 to 3 hours. This will rapidly cleanse your blood. Number 2, diet. The foods you consume on a daily basis may be contributing to your polluted blood. Remove all animal products. This includes meat, dairy, cheese, yogurt, eggs, milk, etc. Remove all processed foods. This includes chips, cookies, breads, crackers, unhealthy snacks, etc. Remove alcoholic beverages and soda from your diet. Incorporate an organic, whole foods, plant-based diet rich in vegetables, fruits, nuts, and seeds. Eat as much organic raw fruits and vegetables as you can. Foods that are raw are better at detoxing the body and healing the skin. I have put together a 100% free step-by-step guide on how I got rid of my eczema naturally. You can get my guide, Eczema Freedom, for free. Just type www.clintonconley.com/EF into your browser right now and hit go. Listen, you don't have to suffer from eczema any longer. Again, to get rid of eczema fast, go to www.clintonconley.com/EF right now, or click the link in the video description below to learn exactly how. My name is Clinton. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of any videos I release when I release them. Share this video with your friends. Comment below if you have any questions. I am always happy to help. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.